Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the wireless interface and current blockers. This matters because commands target a specific device. Run iplink or iwdev to get the interface name, and then check rfkill list to see soft versus hard blocks. Once you know the name, verify Network Manager status with SystemTool. Make sure you can stop it later. These checks avoid guessing, so you won't accidentally disable the wrong adapter or miss a hardware kill switch. Now you disable Wi-Fi using software controls. This is reversible and immediate. First try nmcli radio Wi-Fi off, which tells Network Manager to turn off radio. If services conflict, stop Network Manager with SystemTool stop Network Manager. Next, bring the interface down with iplink, set WLAN 0 down, substitute your interface name to remove the link layer. For extra assurance, run rfkill block to make the change stick. Disable or mask Network Manager, or set radio control in /etc/network manager/network manager. Conf so it stays off across reboots. If processes re-enable the card, temporarily unload the kernel module with modprobe r driver name. Just be careful and note why you removed it. If Wi-Fi remains active, check for a physical switch, BIOS wireless setting, or review dmesc for driver messages. One key tip. If rfkill shows a hard block, address the hardware switch or firmware. Software commands won't override that.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.